Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go not connecting to Facebook. So to connect your Facebook account to your Monopoly Go account, you will need to go to Monopoly Go and go to the menu and click on Connect, where it shows the Facebook logo. So click on it and then it's going to take you to a page where you can basically continue with your Facebook account, and then that should be done for you. So if you're struggling to complete this, follow the steps that I'm going to show you. The first method to try is to go to your app store and make sure that Monopoly Go app is up to date. If it's not, you will have the option to update it on there. If that doesn't help, then the next thing to do is to go to your device settings and go to General and then go to Software Update. Make sure that your device is up to date. If it isn't, you will see an option there to update it. If that doesn't help, then the next thing to do is to remove Monopoly Go app from your device and go back to App Store to download it again. Once you download it again, try connecting it to your Facebook account and see if the problem is resolved. If not, then the last thing that you can try is to disconnect and reconnect your internet connection, because this might be an internet connection issue. So basically, this is what you can do in order for you to fix Monopoly Go not connecting to Facebook. Super easy and simple.